Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon or good morning, depending where you are in the globe. I hope you are all doing well. Maybe some of you are on vacation. Here in Germany, it's very hot, but we are trying to enjoy the summer, and hopefully you are also enjoying the summer and being in a good shape. That is very, very, very important. So now today we will continue together after 2 weeks. Did you know season 2, episode 2? And today I will be talking about the immune system or the identity system. So stay with me to know more about the immune system and how it is related with psychosomatic. But if you don't know me yet, my name is Joyce. I'm French Lebanese and I have a practice here in Germany. I do online sessions too in Gestalt therapy and in naturopathy. And I have a background in human genetics as a doctor in human genetics and a nutrition degree as well. So now I would like to continue with you. Did you know season 2 about the episode 2 about the immune system? What is the immune system? So based on a biological function, the immune system is the system what we will be defending each other from an external agent. So if we have there is a bacteria, there is a virus, our body will start to react and it will start to secrete the necessary cytokines in order to defend and protect us. So our immune system in a, let's say, psychosomatic way, it's our identity. So when we are born, our immune system, we have something called adaptive immune system and innate immune system. So we are born with a fingerprint, we are born with immune system cells, and with time, our immune system will be adapted to what we are getting as viruses, bacteria, or any other pathogenic agent, so that our immune system will be adapting to the external response. However, our immune system also reacts on our emotions, depending if we are sad, if we are depressed, if we are angry. So we are in a chronic stress every day, having a stress. So what we are doing on our immune system, or let's say our identity system, we are losing our identity. We are losing our center. So for example, let's say now I will give you my example. It's a very concrete example. So I am not at all very keen in doing videos. I'm better in being in a room, in a conference where I have people in front of me and I can talk to people, I can see faces. However, I am doing a video alone in my room where I cannot see your faces, and I would like to see you. And the fact that I don't see you, it's putting a little bit of stress. So what happens when I am now a little bit stressed? In this regard, there is a mechanism, either when we are stressed, there is a mechanism where we can fight or we have to flight. Means that either I fight, I'm aggressive, I'm not feeling well, but now I'm not fighting with you, so everything's fine. But what I can do is I can run away and I can stop the video and run away. However, I'm not going to do this. I'm continuing, even though I have a little fear and little stress inside me. I'm working on it while even talking to you. How I do this? Our immune system, when we are stressed in this moment, for example, what's happening in my body, there is adrenaline is very high and the cortisol is high. And what happens when these hormones are high? All our organs are in a stress modus and secreting the hormones, and we are tensed, the face is tensed, or maybe we are too much moving, and you can see it in the body language where the stress is expressed and the heart is beating fast, the renal, as well my organs are also secreting high hormones. So the adrenaline and the cortisol will be affecting my body. But now it's only a small short stress, and it's a nice stress because I'm doing this video for you. However, when we are stressed every day with our emotions, with our blockages, and we are not even dealing with them, and our emotions are pressed, what happens in our immune system? Our immune system is getting lower. And what happens when our immune system is getting lower? We are getting sick. We have flu. We might have, with time, only with time, we might develop a really bad disease. We can develop autoimmune disease, we can develop skin disease, we can develop diabetes, we can develop many diseases. Stress, chronic stress with time is a very, 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 very huge impact. And especially if you don't talk about your emotions, if you are blocking them really inside you, this really as well is not helping, because your daily life will be in a chronic stress, and you will be increasing the stress hormone level in your body, which will put you in inner conflict every day. So that's why our immune system or our identity system is very important, because it is our fingerprint, like our DNA as well. It's a fingerprint that we have, and it is depending and regulated by our emotions, by our genetics for sure, but it is regulated by our daily emotions. And when we can work on our emotions and transform all this angriness, blockages, and the fears, and we can accept what we are going through, then we can change our perspective. So the fact is that I have a last point to tell you. Just that you know, the thymus, which is over here, is an organ that is secreting lymphocyte P. And the fact is that these lymphocytes are our defense. You know, we have different lymphocytes. We have the T, we have the B. However, I'm not going into these details, just that you know, these are lymphocytes, these are cells that are protecting us against a pathogenic, an agent that is pathogenic for us. And our thymus, this organ that is secreting these main cells to defend us, is a very, very important organ. However, it is also very important in a psychosomatic way and in another perspective, therapeutical, emotional way. It is the organ that is linking all our parts. As I said in my old videos before, that we are multidimensional human beings. And with our thymus, we are linked through our thymus with our multidimensional parts. And here it is the organ of love, and our little light is inside. So for example, I can do the exercise with you. I'm very stressed. Okay, I'm doing a video, I cannot see you, so I feel alone and it's stressing me out. So what I can do, the first thought then goes down into my thymus and into my thymus. I will try to breathe and just to focus on my thymus or thymus in English. And something happens when you really focus just for a couple of seconds. You just stop, stand up, put your thoughts directly into your thymus. You feel that something is starting to get centered. And slowly, when you train and you go into your thymus, this is the point where you learn how to get your security, how to get your center. And when you are in your thymus, and when you are really centered, so the stress level will decrease. And you see, based on my voice, my stress level is decreased. And when it is decreased, my immune system is very happy and thanking me that it will work properly. However, this is a very short and small example about me now doing a video for you. However, think about really every day, every moment, at work, in the office, with the family, with the kids, in the couple, how many stress you are dealing with. And if you are facing a pathology, a disease, this is even more stressful, very complicated as well. So if you would like to take care, prevent disease, or you would like to have my support regarding your immune system, so you can book your first 15-minute free call with me. I work with microimmunotherapy, with mushroom therapy as well. Believe me, it's not a high mushroom therapy. It's a medicinal mushroom, but you will not get high. And I also deal with if you need as well to do therapy, I will be happy also to support you and to support you understand your blockages, what's going on, and how you can go unblock your blockages and how you can go forward in your life and learn how you can have your inner security in yourself. But this is a process and this is a way. However, I will be happy to get your first 15 minutes free call and get to know you more. And now I wish you all a nice evening, a nice day wherever you are, and a wonderful weekend. So see you in 2 weeks. Bye bye.